What if I told you that Iceland was not founded only by Vikings, but half by another people as well? Would you believe it? And this truth was revealed by DNA tests that nobody noticed for 1,000 years. This channel shares different facts with you every day, so you can subscribe if you don't want to miss them. And if you want to support the channel, you can leave a like. Now, let's get back to the story. For many years, the story of Iceland was believed to be very simple. In short, around the year 870, Norwegian Vikings sailed west, reached an empty island, and built a new civilization. Old writings, sagas, and genealogical records all confirm this. The names were Norwegian, the language was Norwegian, the laws were Norwegian. But there was a small crack in the story. Some records mentioned Irish and Scottish women. Because of this, the debate about the origin of Iceland never completely ended. 2000s, scientists began studying the DNA of Icelanders, and the results surprised everyone. About 40% of the female ancestry came from Ireland and Scotland. Most of the male ancestry was Viking. So what did that mean? It meant that when the Vikings went to Iceland, they brought Gaelic women with them. Some were wives, and some were slaves. But the biggest discovery came in 2018. Scientists extracted DNA from the bones of the first settlers of Iceland, and the findings were remarkable. The results shocked everyone. The founders of Iceland were not 100% Viking. They were roughly half Viking and half Gaelic. But what is even more interesting is this. Modern Icelanders today have more Viking ancestry. In other words, the genetics changed over time. Because in a small population, even a few disasters can change the gene pool. Epidemics, famines, volcanic eruptions, some family lines disappeared while others survived. The sagas wrote about the Vikings. But DNA never lies. The people who founded Iceland were not only Vikings. Now, think about it. The real story of Iceland stayed hidden for 1,000 years. How many other countries might still have the wrong history? Sometimes the real history is not written in books, but hidden inside bones.